Welcome to Orphan.
Alright, cool. Let's do it.
Have you come to serve the Horde?
Fly to the Maelstrom if...
Mukra, may the spirits watch over you. Go with honor.
What was the proc his lightning bolt has? A chance to something? Crystal Spirit? No. Lightning bolt is the chance to cause your next earth. Right.
You can cast Wellspring on the move, can you?
Does it say that?
Telluric Currents is what you're looking for. If you didn't found it yet.
Yeah, just...
Didn't they change the way Telluric works, though?
Lightning Bolt just has a 30% chance to make Earthshock do more damage. That's all it is.
They
Yeah.
did. They took the mana return off of it.
Stormtrooper got removed? Oh no.
And I don't think you can cast Wellspring on the move. It shows with a 1.5 second cast time.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, with Spirit Walker's Grace you could, but...
Yeah, I don't think you can. Oh no, you can. He's right. Just did it. You can channel it while moving. Or cast it while moving.
Well, that's interesting.
I guess it's just not mentioned in the tooltip. That's probably part of the advantage of it.
Makes it less terrible. Still not great.
We never had. Just want everything to heal from 0 to 100 every time.
Yeah, who wouldn't?
Oh no, the Infernals are here, bro. Where's my proc? Let's cast this 4. Oh, Jesus. Cast. Oh, jeez. Oh man, this doesn't show when it procs. It's annoying. You have to like look up at your talents. There's no.
The question is, do you have all the right gear on?
Oh no, that's true. I don't. Well, probably not. I don't know what you start with. So you start with something. I seem to have the right gear on. Yeah, I have all 8 gear on. See if there's any...
I just meant if they were giving you healing trinkets or anything like that.
Yeah, there's the one with healing for mana. I think that. I guess Spirit's gone.
Yeah.
Okay, just the trinkets it was. Int, yeah. Let's push up that this one. Oh. I'm really learning how to heal his Restoration Shaman by killing his Infernals with the offensive spells. This is really annoying having to check this up there. They need to add an aura effect or like have your Earth Shock like get bright and stuff. Nice castles. Congrats, dude. Did you get the mount? Did you get the mount? Did you get the fucking mount?
You do have a weapon on, right?
Yep.
Still odd that they give you 2 of them.
Yeah, they're the exact same one. Just doesn't haste me.
Yeah, the one in your bags was haste mastery, so.
Yeah, no, it's got spell power.
You wish to speak?
You're red dead? Nice, man. That's good stuff, Castle, so congratulations, dude. Door. Oh, man, Thrall's lost his touch, dude. Which specs are out now? Subtlety Rogue, Resto Shaman, Arms Warrior.
Welcome to Orgrimmar. Have
Speak
you
with
come
Thrall and
to
choose
serve
the artifact you
Horde?
wish to pursue. Resto. Your healing spells have a chance to trigger Power of the Waste. Power of the Waste travels from you to an injured ally over 3 seconds. When triggered, it pops, granting a bunch of healing to allies within 5 yards. Other allies may touch Ashar's boon to activate this effect. Interesting.
Loktar, friend. What is it you wish?
Fucking punch. What's wrong with arms? We just played it. What am I? Oh, it's behind me. Okay. Come with me if you want to live. Heal the Sea Giant, kill the Naga Brutes, recruit the Sea Giant. Yeah, okay. Man, come on. That's my, Shit, I gotta turn party frames on. I'm gonna do it now before I have to heal more crap. And the textures on this guy are quite nice. He has a starfish on his head, though. Throw house can't even run now. Shadow Priest has been out since day 1. Solitude. Who is this Snake Witch? Join us. Let's go. Alright. Guys, less health than I do. That's pretty awesome. Fucking piece of wood as a shield and mace. Show you his butthole? Yeah, 1 second. I don't think you can see up it. No. Fortunately. Sorry, man. Are you being sarcastic, Dragon? think Legion will be more successful than WAD? I do. Alright, there's a cast time, unlike the Druid one. Oh, it's so dark outside this time. God, a surprise ambush. Just taking a lot of damage. What the fuck? Where the fuck's my chain heal? Oh, there it is. Is there any tracker on is there any tracker on like on how long your healing tide's down for? So I am not paying any attention to that at all.
Your healing rain.
My healing rain, yeah, sorry, that's what I meant.
9 seconds.
Yeah, but
It'll-
there's no like UI indication like there is with F-Low.
Yes, there
Never
is. Top. It's in your buffs. There it is. Yep. Watch your buff
Oh,
bar.
that's stupid.
Weak auras, bro.
Yeah, shit, let me
Yep.
just port those in.
Solves all problems.
Alright, obviously. What's up, Av?
All problems through Christ.
This is actually a really cool intro quest line. You're like running around saving, collecting people, and then you slowly build up your group and need to heal them. It's actually pretty well done. Oh yeah, healing stream totem. I did forget about that. I'm not used to There we go. Yeah, definitely need to use that. Good call. Good call. That one's indicated up there. Ask Gash.
Yeah, that one you'll use on cooldown.
There we go. And mine heals for 2 people, right? Yep.
Talk to the man and smash the thing.
I did, man. What the fuck?
Oh, I'm behind.
Some of these dog Naga dudes. Cracked out Nagas in here. Ow, what the fuck? Like, shit. Oh man, those smell nice. No, I can't right now. The plane. What the fuck did he just smash the second time? I didn't ask him to do that. What the hell? That is pretty cool. No, Naga on steroids. That Naga definitely skips leg day, guys. And it kept riptide on for everyone. Oh, it's an 18-second duration. Okay, yeah, I gotcha. Like Rejuve on a warrior. Okay, there you go. Lead. I mean, what am I supposed to do with this fatty dude?
What's that?
Like the part with the waves?
I mean, you can go around them if you're good.
But is he supposed to move or something?
We'll start to move slowly.
Oh, okay.
You can run ahead though and just dodge everything.
That was kind of weird. Oh, now he started moving. It just took a while.
What the fuck? That one went like right through you.
Oh man, that was MLG.
God.
You're just jealous that you couldn't make that when it happened.
I did it first try.
Yeah, that middle one that you thought was impossible.
I didn't say it was impossible. I said it went right over your head.
Alright, Cat, listen. I have to keep these cronies alive. Sit tight. God, these idiots aren't moving. Oh, what the fuck's this guy doing? Cat, shut up! Fuck! Jesus, he's annoying. She's annoying. I'm gonna kite this.
Also, they did give shamanistic rage to Resto Shamans.
I think they just
Oh, yeah,
have it
interrupt
off
that
all
shit.
shamans.
Yeah.
Because they took away Bulwark Totem and Astral Shift, so.
Yeah, makes sense.
Gotta use that.
You
on
can
the,
win sure.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah, there you go, you did it.
Oh my god, you are so irritating right now. Oh yeah, I could have lusted from him. Man, that's a pretty morbid kill. Like smashes her on the ground and shit.
Yeah, dude, fucking DDTs her. Or pile is more like a pile driver, I guess.
Yeah, that's pretty brutal.
Damn, dude, that killing animation though, Jesus Christ. Okay, listen little cat. Sorry about that, guys. Fucking cat. I just got fed a chicken wing.
May the ancestors watch over you.
See if we can abandon and take your place as head of the Earthen Ring.
Hello, stranger.
I think this guy be head of the Earthen Ring with my Enhancement Shaman and Elemental Shaman were also the same. Did I kill it? No, I put it on the couch gently and petted it. Why don't you play Subtlety? We'll play Subtlety after this one. Why? Because you guys voted this one before Subtlety. I actually did eat my cat, guys, yes.
What you need, stranger?
You know, on very, very initial walking into the class hall for Shaman, I was pretty unimpressed, but after spending some time in there on the other specs, it's actually really cool. Review your artifact power. Nice Slick City, man. Good to be back, yeah? I just realized the TV's like in the background and shit. Nah, fuck it, I can't be bothered. There we go, good enough. Don't get copyright troubles again, shit. Is that American Idol? No. What are you watching? Empire? Empire. Consume your healing rain, healing all allies within its area for Gift of the Queen. Is that instant? Oh, of course it's not. What's up with this? Okay, cool. And before anyone asks, yes, you can fall off this and die. I did it on the
It should
Enhancement
be
Shaman.
instant for how bad it is.
Sorry?
So that thing should be instant for how bad it is.
Not.
Seems like the value's really low.
75k per.
Select your first assault point on the Broken Isles. Honestly, they've added like real tables here for everyone. Alright,
Is that
cool.
another one you can maybe cast on the run and channel it? That might improve it a little bit.
Alright, I think we are ready for a dungeon arena. Just don't know if my heart can take this rejection any longer. Taker doesn't want to get out DPS again. You guys are savage. The hell's just damaged her so much? Whee! Uh-oh.
Those runes work yet?
I don't know. There's
have it,
that's that slide you go down where you fall in the water. I just fucking water walked everyone. I didn't think about it until the last second. I just hit the water and died. That was such a fucking troll. Did it work? I guess it did.
Mhm.
Yeah, that's funny shit.
You troll.
I honestly didn't even notice it.
Likely story.
I actually didn't notice it when everyone did that. I just didn't get everyone. I didn't get Brennan.
You didn't.
I know I was trying to. Ooh, leg. Should be good now.
Oops.
So,
I'm probably gonna pull this.
that's fine.
Just kidding.
Wait,
I'll pull those though.
Fuck it. Shit. Shit. Just buttons on this. Ah, fuck, logs. I just reminded myself and then forgot.
Oh, we not go up to 110 in this dungeon?
No,
No, it's just 100.
Combat. Log. Live log. What is this place called? Neltharion's Lair. Restoration Shaman. Go. View report. There you guys go. I was about to type only 3 of those, but I stopped myself. You have 2 riptides on one person? I assume not, right?
Whoa, actual loot?
Yeah, there's trash drops only. I haven't seen any actual boss drops. Rest of Shaman damage seems really shit.
Normally
do you
it's
think
just
about
like
the
the
new dungeons?
placeholder ones.
Slutty,
Yo, what's up?
what do you think about the new dungeons?
I haven't played it since it's buffed. I'll play it tonight though, probably. But they just got fucking... Like, those are crazy changes. They needed them though, they were a bit squishy, but I think those are like beyond fixing their little squishiness. I think they're gonna be really strong now.
Yeah.
No damage in here. This dungeon looks very, very good. Could have water walk there too. Resto Shaman DPS, I mean, honestly, it seems a bit lower than everything did the other tanks.
Tide Totem on CD, free healing.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Ground hurts a lot. This one again. Spiritual guidance. That's the moving one, right? Movement speed. Personal CD. Right. Get the fucking bear. The barrel.
Barrel OP, dude.
This is some crazy shit. I didn't see you do this one earlier.
Yeah. It's pretty cool. It's hurting a lot.
I think lock and load's bugged.
What is?
Lock and load? It says my explosive trap sugar is no cooldown.
Nice. That's legit. Not going to heal
Probably
lane,
shouldn't use that talent anymore.
Cast on a lightning bolt is just so long.
Oh, just kidding. It's not bugged.
I think this, I think the, what's it
It
called?
says that, but it actually applies to aim shot.
No. Telluric occurrence. It seems bugged, like, let's see what this actually hits for. Maybe not, but, no, guess it's not bugged. It's just, you just honestly hit like a wet noodle compared to the other healers in this class, it seems.
Yeah, your Telluric makes your Earth Shock hit for 80% more damage.
No, I
so-
know, it's just when it was proc, it was hitting so little that I thought it was bugged, but it's just literally that's what you're hitting for, and it's really shitty.
Yeah, it's probably undertuned.
Melee the shit out of that guy. Prop Alley's not available, unfortunately.
Doesn't help that they took out 2 of your DPS abilities with EB and Lava Burst.
Wellspring's actually pretty decent AoE heal. It's tuned up in here. Oh, boo. dot up on this guy. Still have sated, unfortunately. Got the RP on this fight though. Procced Earthshock hitting for 30k is really, really shit.
Of course, it's the last week. Trying to understand. I see.
Man, it's not an issue at all either.
I think it's this one. God damn it.
I'm like reading chat in the meantime, some fucking damage in here. Baron Alpha strongest right now? Yeah, it is. Demon Hunter's gonna be pretty strong too. Probably play around with that tonight. We'll see. Who knows what these guys were doing until right now, watching these snails race. Crit chance 25%.
What's that?
Aggro on something.
Yeah, the fucking snails.
Watch out for them snails.
I mean, they're fucking hurting her. Kill these fucking snails.
You running high tide?
No.
Yes, right. You still have Wellspring. That's right.
It's actually a pretty solid AV. Relative to current health pools in this level 100 dungeon, just. Alright, I've got some more balls too. Chain lightning is for shit. One Sunfire from a Resto Druid is more than that. And it would hit everything AoE here and dot it up too. Damage, some AoE damage. Monks have it. Priests are lacking maybe a bit in the AoE department too, but you can spec into Schism. You'd be alright. My biggest hit yet, 79k, and that was from one of the proc Earth Shocks. Guess I'll get loot here. Farmings. There's dicks up in there. Dark rule. There's nobody playing the new build, I'm surprised. What do you mean? Like in general on alpha? Seems to be a lot of people. The thing is though, this new build, it was kind of deceivingly small. Like, you know, it was like a 7 gig build, and it's like, oh my god, all like potential, like all this data mine stuff. If you actually think about it though, it ended up being 1 dungeon and 3 specs. That's it, straight up. No new zone, no new leveling cap, no more than 3 specs. There's 2 dungeons, 1 was turned off, and that's it. Like, how long does it possibly take to do that, you know? So much. Oh, streaming the new build. I'm streaming it right now. But like I said, aside from that too, though. No more is the nice guy. Man, healer, man, what the fuck? Oh, shit.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Jesus.
You have to actually stand in the totem for it to work.
Me or the other people?
All of the above.
Yeah, everybody.
Well, right, but it links whoever's in there. There's 2 or 3 people in there. Better than 0. Huge.